Good afternoon. Welcome to today's breaking oil industry news, broadcast live from the Big 8 News studios, located in beautiful downtown Baghdad, Iraq. I'm Terry Brockman. There's been an oil refinery explosion in Houston, Texas. It killed 32 refinery workers and injured another 67 people. Cyrus Salient, the leader of America's largest militia group, has claimed responsibility. To find out more about the oil refinery explosion in the United States, we go now live to Stanley Boltmann, senior Big 8 News correspondent. Stanley, the Texas oil refinery explosion, the leader of America's largest militia group, Cyrus Salient. What can you tell us?
Yes, that's correct, Terry. I'm reporting from Houston, very close to where the oil refinery explosion happened. I am hoping to interview Cyrus Salient, the leader of America's largest militia group, who has claimed responsibility for the Houston oil refinery explosion that killed 32 refinery workers. I am to meet Cyrus Salient up ahead. I'm almost there. Be there in a couple of minutes. Stanley Boltmann, Big 8 News, Houston, the United States.
All right, thanks for that oil industry report on the Texas oil refinery explosion. Stanley, please stay on the air. We will come back to you soon, live from Houston. We go now live to Kara Green and Tom Kent via satellite audio link. Kara and Tom are also in Houston, following up another lead on the whereabouts of Cyrus Salient, the leader of America's largest militia group, linked to the oil refinery explosion that killed 32 refinery workers. Kara, Tom, are you there?
That's right, Terry. Kara and I are in Houston, searching for Cyrus Salient, the leader of America's largest militia group responsible for the oil refinery explosion.
We're looking for Cyrus Salient, someone who killed 32 refinery workers and injured another 67. For what? Why?
That's what we will ask him.
Who killed 32 refinery workers and thought it was a good thing?
And injured another 67.
We will find Cyrus Salient and make him talk.
Tom Kent reporting for Big 8 News.
And Kara Green reporting for Big 8 News, Houston, Texas.
Okay, very good. Thank you for that report on the Houston oil refinery explosion. Tom and Kara, we'll check in with you both in a few minutes. We have with us now a special guest from the Institute of Strategic Studies, located at Stanford University. Dr. Limmy Glasgow, welcome to Big 8 News. Now, you have studied Cyrus Salient, the leader of America's largest militia group, for a number of years. What can you tell us about the Texas oil refinery explosion and Cyrus Salient, the leader of America's largest militia group? Good to be here, Terry. Firstly, I think I speak for all of us here at the Institute of Strategic Studies in saying that the oil refinery explosion that occurred in Houston, Texas today was terrible. Cyrus Salient is terrible. Anyone who killed 32 refinery workers and injured another 67 people should be locked up. Cyrus Salient wants to bring radical change to the world. This is not the way to achieve it. In closing, I would like to say that Stanford University is against Cyrus Salient, the leader of America's largest militia group. who perpetrated this terrible oil refinery explosion. This is a terrible oil industry development. Terry? Okay, thank you, Dr. Lemmy Glasgow. We'll be right back with more breaking oil industry news on the Houston Oil Refinery Explosion from Big 8 News, broadcasting from downtown Baghdad, Iraq. Don't go away, I'm Terry Brockman.